Our garage has a lot of cleaning and decluttering that needs to go on in here, and it's definitely going to take more than one day, but I'm going to go ahead and get started today. So if you need some cleaning and decluttering motivation, then stay tuned, because today is also part of my monthly decluttering collaboration. So after you're finished with this video, there are a lot of other people that have some decluttering motivation for you, and you are not going to want to miss any of it. Welcome to our garage. It is a mess. So in our house, we don't really have a lot of storage. So our storage is here. I made sure when we built this house that we built the garage a little bit bigger, a little bit wider, so that we would have a place, because we're definitely getting a golf cart. It's a little mini golf cart, but I also knew I needed space for my holiday decor so that I didn't constantly have to ask my husband to get it out of the attic. But anyway, it's just kind of gotten to be a mess. I have just things like this over here that I just need to do something with. This stuff right here I need to do something with. So anyway, there's just a lot of things that either can be tossed or donated or put in the attic. Like that chair right there. Actually, it probably just needs to be thrown away because one of the things came off the bottom. I don't know. We may just put it in the attic. But anyway, I am going to spend some time decluttering and throwing away in my garage. And this may take more than, one video to do. I may have to do it in two. But anyway, let me go ahead and get started with decluttering and cleaning this mess. I actually started a couple months back trying to get some of this stuff decluttered, and so that's what these next couple of clips are, is just me getting some stuff moved around. I didn't feel like the floral stuff needed to be where it was, so I just moved it all and went through some stuff that I felt like I didn't need anymore or use. But anyway, that's where I am getting started, and that's why I'm dressed differently. Also, it wasn't quite as hot, but after I did all this, I didn't do anything else until now. And this is kind of what it looks like after I moved the floral stuff around. Still a lot of stuff that needed to be decluttered, and I actually did do a little bit, but now this is current, and stuff has started building up again, so I'm just going through this. I'm going to make a pile of stuff that I'm going to donate. I have a trash bag of stuff that I'm going to throw away, and then I have the stuff that I'm going to be using for this new venture. So anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and turn on some music, and if you have some cleaning or decluttering that you need to do, then take this as an opportunity to be a little motivated and get it done with me. Special till you end up all this way. Please tell me when you left me bleeding. Broken heart, tell me why I deserve this feeling. I thought that you loved me, I thought that you need me, till you end up all this way. Have you forgot all the moments while we had was so true? This world was made for two. I did want to take just a minute to remind you of the Decluttering Collaboration that I host every month, and it's called Clutter Free in 2023. And so every month, me and some of my friends declutter a part of our house. And if you have some decluttering you need to do, we would love for you to be a part of this collaboration. So just let me know in the comments if you want to join in next month. But anyway, I will have a link to the playlist in the description box below. So after you're finished here, make sure to go check it out. Okay, so I think I'm about done for today just because it is so hot. But I did get a good bit of this cleaned up, so that's good. I have this box of trash and that bag of trash. Then over here, it probably doesn't look like much, but I did get this stuff together to take to Goodwill. So the clothes I got cleared out of there. This is all stuff. So I have an announcement in maybe a couple of weeks that I'm super excited about. So I hope you all will subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss this exciting news. I'm super excited about a new venture that I am taking. But anyway, all that said, this is staying. This box and this box is kind of like craft work that I need to work on. So I'm probably just gonna leave this here. I did get this decluttered just a little bit. That area right there was decluttered a little bit. And this is stuff that I need to take inside. I'm probably gonna give these lights to someone in the neighborhood for Mardi Gras. And then I need to do a couple of things with these things right here for that new venture. And this stuff needs to go inside. This is wrapping paper. I need to put it with the rest of the wrapping paper stuff. This is a basket that I'll be able to use somewhere, maybe in my pantry. And then these are coffee cups that I'll use in my coffee bar. So anyway, that is what I got done today. Like I said, it doesn't look like much, but I really did just that right there alone, getting that out of here, as well as the trash over there. That's huge. So you can see what a hot mess I am right now. It is hot. I don't know what that was that just hit my garage door, but anyway, I've got some stuff to throw away, so I'm excited about that, and I've got some stuff to take to Goodwill, so I'm excited about that. Anyway, like I said, I have a new venture that I'm so excited about that I hope that you will subscribe so that you don't miss it. And if you already are subscribed, leave me a comment below and let me know what you think it is. But anyway, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. I love all things homemaking, so recipe ideas, decluttering, home decor, shopping hauls, that kind of thing. So if that's something you're interested in, then please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button so you don't miss any of those videos, and give this video a big thumbs up and let me know what you're decluttering. But if you're looking for more cleaning and decluttering motivation, then make sure you check the box you see on the screen right now, and I'll see you next time. Bye.